Why isn't your beard growing on your jawline, and what to do? Most people don't need to choose facial hair, it chooses them. Unfortunately, not everyone was blessed with a plentiful amount of facial hairs growing in just the right places. If you aren't lucky enough to be one of these chosen ones, and you are not naturally endowed with an abundance of well-placed facial hair, there is still hope for you. You will find out what you can do shortly. Why isn't hair growing on your jawline, you may ask? The truth is, factors such as genetics, poor diet, age, low levels of testosterone, and stress may be responsible for the lack of growth. A full beard on your jawline can immediately transform your look, taking you from a clean-cut man to a mysterious or rugged-looking man. It can take some time to grow, so the transformation is certainly not instant, but it is profound. It can be discouraging when you patiently wait for it to fill in, yet your jawline beard remains poorly populated with facial hair. We will answer questions like why isn't your beard growing on your jawline? And discuss the pros of having beards on your jawline, how to grow a beard on your jawline, and how to maintain it to look clean and stylish. Why grow hair on your jawline? Growing facial hair is dependent on different factors, including hereditary background and genetics. These factors affect the age at which the hair appears. For some people, it may be as early as in their teens, and for others, it may be as late as in their 40s. Usually, not having facial hair doesn't call for much concern if there are no issues with any other secondary factors. If there is, then you need to see an endocrinologist. For men that don't know the benefits that come with growing a beard on their jawline, or for some that already have one but are unsure of what they stand to gain with this endowment, this section is for you. I will be showing you why we need to get those hairs popping out of your jawline. It covers up imperfections. Just the way busy patterns cover up bigger frames, a beard growing on your jawline can hide imperfections like acne scars and skin pigmentation. A well-defined beard on the jawline will make your jaw more visible and frame your mouth, making your smile draw more attention from people. It's kinder to your skin. Who wouldn't want to stop dragging a razor down across their face? This is where a jawline beard comes in. You can get a break from shaving as you change your look, and your skin will thank you for it. No more irritated razor burn or tiny nicks on your sensitive facial skin. Give your skin a rest while making a styling statement that highlights your facial contours. It makes you look more mature. It's no doubt that facial hair is an obvious sign of maturity. When you have a strong beard on your jawline, it makes you look more mature, hiding a young-looking baby face. A beard absolutely makes you look older, but only when it is filled in properly and groomed well. It makes you look more attractive. Wondering if women like beards on the jawline? Absolutely yes. The findings from a study by psychologists at Northumbria University revealed that guys are usually rated by their appearance. Like it or not, the first impression based on looks makes a big impression. The men sporting stubble or full jawline beards were seen as more masculine, dominant looking, and prime partner material compared to those without even stubble on their faces. Why isn't your beard growing on your jawline? Who would have thought that growing beards once looked upon as a lumberjack look is now sought after by so many? A rugged, full beard is a very popular look. I guess people are becoming aware of the benefits of growing a beard, especially on the jawline. If you are trying to grow a beard on your jawline, and it just won't grow in, you might be frustrated and looking for answers. Here are 7 reasons why your jawline beards may not be growing. 1. Age. Age determines the rate of facial hair growth. Typically, fast hair growth takes place between the ages of 5 to 35 years. Most men will start to get facial hair growth in their late teens, and usually can grow a full beard by their mid-20s. Once you start to grow out your facial hair, it can take years to fully grow in, so if you still don't have a jawline beard after trying for 5 years, you might need to consider other reasons why it might not be growing in. 2. Genetics. The way your beard grows is tied to your genes. For most people, their genes determine the length and fullness of their beard. If you come from a long line of men who are able to grow full beards, then you will likely be naturally suited to growing out your facial hair. Of course, the opposite is also true. If your ancestors were not able to grow beards, you are likely to be unable to as well. 3. Low level of testosterone. Testosterone levels have an effect on the growth of facial hair. Men with lower levels of testosterone are usually not favored when it comes to having jawline hair. A higher level of testosterone, on the other hand, Encourages the growth of facial hair. 4. Lack of exercise. Exercise is great at boosting one's level of testosterone, and you already know a low level of testosterone isn't what you need if you're trying to grow a jawline beard. 5. Poor diet. Many people are not aware that what they eat determines the overall health of their facial hair. Hair consists of protein, and a lack of protein and healthy oils can cause a failure of beard growth in some areas. 6. Stress. Stress weakens the immune system, causing a decrease in hair growth and overall hair health. The jawline beard is no exception. If you aren't able to grow a beard on your jawline, stress may be responsible. 7. Friction. If you have something that rubs against your jawline regularly, like a strap for a helmet, it might be damaging the hairs trying to grow on your jawline, thus preventing their overall growth. How to grow your beard on your jawline. Growing a jawline beard may seem like a Herculean task for some men. However, there are some steps you can take to stimulate your hair follicles and help those jawline beards to come out. Step 1. Improve your diet. See your jawline beard as an extension of yourself. Your overall health will reflect on your beard growth. Improve your diet by adding foods that will support a maximum beard growth. Some foods to eat include oysters, sweet potatoes, eggs, cinnamon, spinach, liver, peanuts, walnuts, almonds, soybeans, bananas, mushrooms, whole grains, and cauliflower. Step 2. Exercise. Weight training and exercise in general helps boost one's testosterone levels. When you engage in functional and compound movements, your muscle groups are enrolled to boost your testosterone. Some exercises to consider are squats, pull-ups, push-ups, overhead presses, chest presses, and sit-ups. Working out on a rowing or elliptical machine is great too. If you are new to working out, I suggest you spend time with a trainer to ensure you know how to exercise without injuring yourself. Step 3. Sleep. Sleeping for at least 8 hours every night can improve the quality of your jawline beard. During sleep, your body's temperature decreases, leading to an increase in the circulation of nutrient-filled blood. The more nutrients that get to your hair follicles, the better. Step 4. Keep your jawline moisturized. Even if you aren't growing beards on your jawline yet, you shouldn't leave the skin there dry. Not moisturizing your jaw will cause your skin to dry out and thus hair growth will be discouraged there. You can get a regular moisturizer and massage it into your skin to make your jawline soft. There are some beard oils that you can also make use of to encourage hair growth. Apply them as you would pre-beard, paying attention to mainly your jawline and jaw. Massage oil into your neck areas since they are also very sensitive and can get dry easily. Step 5. Don't be afraid of patches. Don't feel as if the gods of beard hair have plotted against you when you start growing facial hair that resembles crop circles. Having patches may be due to different reasons. A common reason linked to having patches is a health condition referred to as alopecia barbae. This is a health condition where the body mistakenly attacks healthy cells, leading to loss of hair. If this is what you are experiencing, there is a treatment and your jawline hair can grow back. Step 6. Care for your beard. A common mistake among first-time beard growers is not caring for their beard properly, whether full or not. I've had some people remind me that cavemen never had beard oils and other beard grooming essentials before having long beards. Yes, I know this, but we aren't cavemen. Not taking care of your beard may lead to a series of problems such as dry skin, broken hair, beard rough, and loss of hair. These things can hinder you from growing the beard you deserve. You can care for your beard by buying beard grooming tools such as beard comb, Boar's beard brush, and a beard straightener. Buying beard products such as beard wash, beard softener, beard wax, beard oil, and beard balm. Conclusion: being a proud owner of a jawline beard doesn't mean your work is done. How you take care of your beard will either make or break your hair growth plans. It's one thing to grow a jawline beard, and it's another to take care of it. If you don't make an effort to take good care of it, you might be caught looking unkempt. If you are still in your early 20s or you're a teen, it's very likely that growing a beard will be easier as you mature. You just might not be ready for it yet. Besides age, the primary factor that determines your beard growth is usually genetics. It's true that you can't change your genetics, but don't undervalue the role of overall good health. You can live a better, healthier lifestyle, eat a well-balanced diet, and get enough exercise and sleep. This will improve not only your overall health, but your beard growth will reflect your good health. I believe this post has revealed to you the possible reasons behind not being able to grow hair on your jawline and some ways you can make lifestyle changes to help it grow it better. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.